Yes, we do collect it. And we actually have multiple teams that are involved in the collection process, like customer marketing and customer experience, product marketing. We will share it with our executive team once we've had once we've collated a lot of different amounts of feedback. Typically something we do at the end of every quarter to just assess, are there any trends here or themes, and things that really like are within our control that we can adjust. So in short, yes, like we absolutely do that. And I think for me personally, right, like I'm looking out for anything that I can actually control, which is, you know, how my team is operating, what the customer experience really looks like, the way that we're framing the value story and value delivery. But the way that's at a very high level. At a more like individual level with the CSM specifically and with my management team, we do something that I've called a churn autopsy, which is, you know, at the end of every month or every quarter, why did this customer churn? What could we have done? Do we feel at the end of the day we did everything we possibly could to save this account? Or was it, you know, bound to be because it wasn't a great, you know, customer profile or whatever it might be? And in these churn autopsy conversations, it's usually myself, the manager, and the CSM. And we'll just have a conversation of like, what were our key learnings here? What could we have done better? Was there some point in the relationship that we missed an opportunity to really turn things around? Or are we closing the door and hopefully they come back one day and we've done everything we possibly can?